Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to draw an adventurous backpack. It's going to be a lot of fun. It is going to be a canteen, a sleeping roll, and a fishing pole on the back of this backpack. What's neat about this is you can customize it to draw extra objects if you wanted to. You'll see what I mean. Come on. Let's get in the studio and start drawing. All right, first thing we're going to do is draw in a quick rough of where things are going to go, from the backpack to the sleeper on top and maybe the canteen. Now this next part, we're going to actually draw a rather large cube where it's kind of rectangular, elongated. And we want to make sure that this is really accurate because it's on this that we're going to build everything else. I'm going to draw a single line at the top of the backpack. And this is going to become our minor axis. If you're not sure how to draw a cylinder, or a oval in perspective, click on the link above and it'll take you to another video where I explain that. But if you wanted to pause the video, this would be a great time just to make sure everything's lined up and square. Lined up and going around everything. So here is our canteen. You can see it's another circular shape with a little bit of thickness to it. I'm going to add the spout where you drink at the top of it there. And now I'm just going to use to draw in where our rope is going to go. And it's just multiple circles, multiple ovals. Let's rough in where we're going to put our side pocket with some type of container. Could be another type of bottle coming out of it. And on the far side, I'm going to now draw our fishing gear. Once again, if you need to pause the video, please stop it and just get caught up. This was probably a little too much to do in 5 minutes, but I think you can do it. Just, if you need to slow the video down, just stop it. And all I'm doing here is adding decoration, details that give it a lot of interest. And you could change the details if you want, but that's what I've done. Now I'm going to go back in with some darker lines and start darkening up some of my items. The canteen, the pocket on the side here. And as you draw your underdrawing, you want to make sure you draw it very lightly, very lightly. This part of the drawing is fun. It's the decoration part. The other part is the structure. Maybe the top lip of the backpack folding over. And in most of this, I'm just following my
if you're liking this video,
basic
make sure you subscribe right now below.
Cube that I started
so
off.
I can
It's
keep
not really
making
cute.
more.
It's a
You got this.
rectangular cube. This drawing is a good example of kind of the generic process that I will go through. Here's an axe maybe at the bottom of it. You start off with a quick gesture and then you move into structure and volume. And in the last part here, we're into now detail. Here comes our fishing rod. Pause the video if you need to. And I think that will bring us to the end on this one. Great job of drawing this backpack. I think you're gonna like it. Okay, we'll see you in the next drawing. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.